What is coaching? Coaching changed my life, yet the process is invisible and it's internal. So how can I show you guys that? Well, here's my attempt. Coaching language talks about seeing what you can't see. It talks about opening up your mind to new possibilities you can't touch. And it starts with a willingness to admit you have hit a wall. And for some of us hard chargers, having to hire a coach feels like admitting failure. And who wants to do that? What is coaching? It's an art, and its medium is the human heart, mind, and soul.